Here's the 7-day forecast for Bikini Bottom. It's going to be wet, 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 followed by a wet weekend. And remember kids, fishing season open today, so keep clear of those hooks, lines, and sinkers. Don't get tangled.
We have been learning about tornadoes. How do they pick up things? The strong, fast-moving air goes underneath them and picks them up. How are they made of? Super fast spinning air and dust and dirt. How are they formed? The hot air is down the bottom and the cold air is on the top. The hot air is trying to get to the top, but the cold air is blocking it. Finally, the hot air punches a hole and it forms a funnel cloud. If the funnel cloud starts to spin, and if it touches the ground, it's a tornado. What are clouds? A cloud is a large collection of tiny droplets of water or ice crystals. The droplets are so small that they float in the air. Why are clouds different shapes? Because they are different types of clouds. Stratus clouds cover the whole sky, and when they reach the ground they turn into fog. Cirrus clouds look like they've been whipped from a really big jet.
A cumulus cloud is a white fluffy cotton ball floating in the sky.
Why do clouds move?
Because fast-moving air is moving them.
Why are clouds white? Clouds are white because they reflect the light of the sun. Light is made up of collections of the rainbow, and when you add them all together you get one. What is wind? Fast-moving air. How is wind made? The hot air rises up and the cold air mixes together.
What makes the wind stronger?
The cold air goes down and the warm air goes up.
What is going to happen to the balloon? The hot air rises in the bottle and makes it warm and it pops up. I'll put the balloon in and the hot air rises in the balloon and makes it all warm and makes the balloon.
The cold air sucks it in and makes the balloon go right in the bottle. We have been learning about tornadoes and we made one ourselves in 2 bottles and tape with water, and this is what it looks like.
What is the water cycle?
Do you know how long a bottle of water has been around for? It has been around as long as the earth was around because of the water cycle. The water cycle makes the rain. It explains everything. Basically, it goes to evaporation to precipitation. It is because of the water cycle. It explains how it rains. The same water goes around and around. The water cycle starts off with the sun heats the water up, and then that is called water vapor, and then it turns into water and it rises into the sky, and that is called condensation. Once the water vapor has risen, it cools down and turns into a cloud. That's condensation. When the cloud gets filled up with water and it gets too heavy, it pours the water down into lakes or seas or rivers, and then the sea gets collected, and that's called precipitation. When the water has been collected, the water cycle can start all over again.